Hey family, this is Darlene. I figured since I had two mini boxes that I needed to get packaged and ready for shipment for tomorrow, I will go ahead and do that on camera. So these are the last two that I'm packaging up tonight, and I have two wholesale boxes right here ready to go. And then I do have some more orders I need to get ready for tomorrow, but I'll probably do those tomorrow when I get off of my regular job, okay? So these two I'm going to go ahead and do on camera, package up. The one for LeBron, and these are already filled and stuffed with the items. With this customer right here, she wanted two additional bracelets. So what she did was she actually went to the website and she went to my Etsy shop, and she saw um, this set that had four. So she emailed me and asked me, was it okay that instead of the two that will go into the mini box, can she go ahead and order the four and have the four put into the stash box, which was absolutely fine. And I told her that. So what she did is got two additional. She actually bought a whole different set than what would have gone into the box, and good for her. So if you see something on there that you want to add to a box, just let me know and I can go ahead and customize it for you. So in that case, this is the one box for one customer, the LeBron. So we'll go ahead and get this all packaged up. And I like to use bubble wrap as an extra layer of protection. When it's being shipped out. So that'll be the first one. And then also the Kobe box. And this one, she just got the two bracelets. So she didn't want anything special in this one. And this one comes with the Valentine's Day card, the envelope, the key, and the two bracelets with the box. And I use the small flat rate priority mail box to ship out. When it's only one box, it goes into the small flat rate. But when it's two or more, of course, I use these bigger boxes that's right here to my side. I don't want to lift the camera up. Those big boxes right there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get this one all packaged up. I'm not going to seal it because I need to come back and fill out the priority mail label, and I don't want the people's address and everything shown. So I generally just put it in the box like so. And I'll come back and write the address on the label. So then I generally just do it like this. And you know what I'll do? I'll do this. I'll just start with and I'll put the state on it, and I know where it's going. And it's going to Texas. So I'll just put Texas right here. So when I come back and put the address on, I'll know to who it's going, and I'll check in the system. So then we have this one, which is the Kobe. And this one is going to Virginia. And I'll just put that right here. Then that way I know where they're going. Just to give you an idea how I ship the packages out. So if you order something from me, this is how I generally package them up. So you'll have the box. It'll be shipped out, small flat rate box, priority mail, which is supposed to take between 2 and 3 days. But I had one customer that contacted me and it took like 5 days and I had to contact the post office. It's like, well, wait a minute. If I'm going to be paying extra, you need to get these people their packages. I understand, the pandemic is going on and all that, but we're not still in the holiday seasons. So you all need to do better. And I'm not going to be paying extra money, for something. I might as well pay the regular rate if it's going to get there in the same amount of time that it would cost me for regular rate. So anyway, we had to have a discussion. And hopefully that's all handled. But anyway, this is how your shipment will go out. If you order one box, it'll be wrapped in the bubble wrap. It will go in the priority mail box. And again, it should take 2 to 3 days to get to you. If not, hey, I've had a discussion with USPS, okay? And if it, if the boxes keep being late like that, I might have to switch over to like a Federal Express or something and see if that works better than what the USPS system is doing at current. Okay, so that's these 2 boxes I have to ship out for tomorrow. And then those 2 boxes are wholesale boxes, and they're 6 in a box. So these will have to go out tomorrow. Where are these people at? One is in Georgia. So this lady right here, this is her 3rd order for the boxes. And I think what's going to happen, she's going to probably start buying more than 6 at a time because I just sent her 6 last week. So she's already on her 2nd set of 6. So, and I'm thinking what'll probably happen more than likely is she'll end up buying more than 6 at one time, which is a goodie for me. Okay. But anyway, that was it. Wanted to show you how I do, how I ship everything out. So if you were wondering, well, how does she ship the boxes? Are they protected? 1, 2, 3. And it's just that simple. It's 1, 2, 3. I bubble wrap them. I put them in a priority mail box and ship them to you. All right. Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. And I'm a little sluggish tonight because your girl is tired. Okay. I was telling somebody earlier today, because I'm not a sleeper. I've